Hello, welcome back. I don't know how we're going to hear me because the wind. But this is the next mower we got for the free lawnmower. And I thought I'd do a little bit of a quick video on this one. I haven't done anything to it at all, so I put it on Facebook for £50. But I really just want to shift this one because I think we're going to have loads of problems with it. So it's pinking and going ahead, and I just don't think it's worth putting a lot of work into them, because I've seen a lot of these on there fully serviced for £50. So I've actually dropped it down to £40. I don't know where you're going to hear me because of the wind, but dropped it down to £40. Got a bloke interested at the moment for 35, and he might have something he can part X as well, so we'll see. I just thought I'd do a little video of it while it's here. I'm waiting for a message to come back for another mower at the moment as well, so that's no reason. I'm just going to do it quickly. Oh, and it revs really high as well, but like I said, I can't be bothered to mess around with it. As we get into this and I get a few more, then obviously I'm going to sort of play around with it a bit more. But just this little lot out of the free mowers, I'm just going to get rid of. We've already made, we took £80 on the mount field, but give us something like about a £70 profit, so we're sort of well up. But yeah, like I say, it don't owe me nothing, does it? So less I do to it, the better. Right, I'm going to start it up. It's cold. I haven't tried it for a couple of weeks. Stink. I haven't checked the oil to see if it's overfilled or anything, but it could be. So I'm going to let it burn the oil off. Like I say, I haven't run it for much, and hopefully next time it won't be here and we'll have sold it. Like I say, it's only a quick little video just to so we can keep keeping track with what's happening, and keep the eye on what money we've made and not made. And so later on we can add them all up, and like I say, if we get 30 quid for it with £70 profit, we've made them on at about 100 quid, and that's still not including the 848 we've got to do, and the others we're still going to be buying and selling. Oh, and I've still got that free one over there, that one as well. What I still don't know what I'm going to do with it. Had it running for 2 or 3 minutes and it's cleared itself now, so it's not smoking or nothing. Still running a bit fast. Well, like I said, I'm not going to fiddle with it. That's how it's going to go. So that's what we get. I mean, if we get 30 quid for it, I'll be happy, to be honest with you. Like I say, there's loads on there fully serviced for 50 quid, so to get rid of it, you've got to drop the price a bit, haven't you? I think. Alright, sorry about the wind noise, hopefully you can hear me. That's where I'm going to leave this video for now. We've got several lawnmowers coming in this series of making money from lawnmowers. So if you like this sort of stuff, subscribe, thumbs up and all the rest of it. Make sure you ring the bell if you subscribe, and look out for the more to come in this series of videos I'm doing. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.